Hi guys, we have exciting news for you. We here have the new LPS Ground Station with both major software improvements and hardware improvements as well, increasing reliability, feature sets, and we cannot wait to get it into your hands. And let's get started.
The LPS Ground Station has really exceeded our expectations so far because it's not only safer, it's also significantly more robust, and we're much more efficient in operation since we no longer have to wire up our units. We can approach each receptor much more quickly. The system simply works much faster, and as a result, it's a huge benefit for us